Right, hello everybody. I'm Luke, aka The Future Farmer. It's a new channel that I've decided to start. Well, you'll see sort of over the period of the next few days, a bit of a catch up of what I've been doing the last few years here, but yeah, I thought I'd start getting involved on what I get up to. I've got a few bits of kit, old potato planter, mower, old Leyland, old Zuki. There's another tractor and some other bits, but we'll see that in another video. That's the allotment I've been using the last couple of 3 years. That's had sort of veg, cabbages and bits and pieces on, but predominantly potatoes. Now getting it ready for this year. So I've done a bit last night, but that was not the best quality. That was getting a bit dark at the time, so I thought I'd start here, and I will put last night's footage in afterwards. I'll add it in now actually. Right then, join me back on the current day. I hope that footage wasn't too bad from last night. I know it was getting a bit dark, but I thought I'd try and get a little bit of the start of this. Got the Isiki up and running. As with everything around here, the battery's a little bit dicky on it and she needed a jump. It has been getting pretty cold here recently, sort of -3 or 4 at night time, which is another reason I've been wanting to get this ploughed up. I've had a little bit of an issue with wire worms. Again, I hope you can hear this alright next to the Isiki. I'm only using my phone at the moment, but hopefully I'll get a camera soon. So yeah, I've had a problem with nematodes, sort of wire worms, such like in my potatoes. So sort of planted some mustard seed last year as a bit of a cover crop, and to try and sort of get rid of them that way, as when it rots down, it sort of releases a gas that's supposed to help kill them. And then also now this winter, ready for this season, I'm going to try and plough it up, get a good hard frost on it, and hopefully that might help try polishing them off. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, little 245 sat over there, a 935 John Deere mower, and me 2-row lifter, Polish origins. So yeah, I'll get you set up and let you see some of the little Isiki doing a bit of ploughing. Okay, so as it turns out, it stopped recording after 7 minutes, but you get the idea. Just got a few more bouts left to do. I'll get this all ploughed over, and then sort of come March time, excuse me, I'll get some muck on it and then drag through it sort of quite deep with a cultivator and whatever, and then that'll be ready to get planted and ridged up with the Kramer planter over there. So that's kind of a bit of a update as such, or a start off of sort of what I've been up to the last couple of days. There'll be more to come over the next sort of few days. I've got old videos on my phone of previous years and things like that, so I'll be uploading them. There won't be any commentary or anything like that, but yeah, that's generally the idea. The plan is to expand from here. Should be taking on, was it 3 acres or 4 acres of grass meadow this year to make hay from, and I'll sort of manage the land as well, so that'll be that side of things. I'm picking up a trailer tomorrow, 3-ton tipper, sorry, for the Leyland. So I'll be doing a sort of muck delivery and collection service, or collection and delivery should I say. So yeah, that will start that off. Should be looking at a kid muck spreader this week potentially, little 4-tonner to go behind the Leyland. So yeah, it's basically getting a bit tooled up to do a bit more, take on a bit of extra land, see where that goes, and never know, maybe one day in the future be the future farmer. Yeah, so keep an eye out. Hopefully it's a bit of an insight, and yeah, catch you on the next one.